Earthlings, it's time for this week's craft video. Avani's here to learn with us. If you haven't made your own tube alien, check out last week's craft video to make your own learning companion. This week we are going to be making an animal-friendly confetti popper. For this craft, you are going to need the following: 2 Dixie cups, or if you don't have Dixie cups, any disposable cups will do. If you're using plastic, please be careful. A balloon, we're using festive balloons for 4th of July. Scissors, and confetti. We are using some festive supplies from the dollar store. We encourage you to use recycled paper. If you plan to use your confetti popper outside, please use wildflower seeds or grass so you don't litter. Alright, once you have the following, you can get started. For those watching on YouTube, you can find this list and instructions for this craft on our website or in the animal activity book on www.earthlingkids.com. So let's get started. We recommend using a table cover just like this. It'll protect your workspace. You can find a table cover just like this in any department store's party section for just a couple of dollars. Alright, so let's start. You're going to take your 2 Dixie cups. One of them, you're going to cut the bottom off completely. It's going to turn up looking like this. For your second Dixie cup, you're going to cut a little farther in, so it's going to look a little like this. Next, we're going to take our balloon, and we're going to tie it just how we tie a normal balloon once it's all filled with air. Over, under, and through. Take your scissors and cut a little bit off the top, just like so. Take the cup that you cut a little farther down on, and we're going to wrap the balloon over and tight. It may come out like this, just fix it a little to make it look nice. Now, the first cup you cut is going to add stability and a little form to your popper. Put it in, and it should make it look a little more circular. You can pull down your balloon to make it nice and tight. And your popper's pretty much made. Now let's try it. It should make a nice popping sound. Alright, once that's all done, you fill it with whatever confetti you did, whether it's recycled paper, your wildflowers, grass, or for us, the festive supplies. So let's fill it up. We're going to put some flowers, some of the little strings of red. Now let's see it go. Not only is this pet friendly for the sound being not as loud as fireworks, but you can put treats in it and your pets will have fun as well. We hope you enjoyed this craft. Check out this week's contest, which is a video of you popping your confetti popper. To enter, follow the instructions on our website or in this week's activity book. Come back next week for another fun craft about reptiles. We are going to be doing a snake paper chain.